Hello, everybody. Well, glad you could join me. This is just a quick afternoon update after the new information sent out from the Weather Service and the Storm Prediction Centers. I'm just going to go over it real quick before I head off to work. Um, let's go ahead and start out with the radar here. This is the current radar for our area, showing a little bit of showers up here, but the rest of this is just ground clutter right here because it's probably in clear air mode. So, all right. That being said, let's go ahead and jump right into it because I know everybody is wondering. All right. Let's go ahead and go to the SPC Outlook. This is for day one. This is the categorical look. And there we go. It updated for today. As you can see, out west is right there. So we're only expected to maybe get some little thunderstorms tonight and overnight into Thursday. I wouldn't say much of nothing on that. Let's go ahead and let's see. That's today, which is Wednesday. This is the Thursday outlook right here. Thursday outlook, it bumped us up into like a number 2 category there. So it's 2, 3 if you're in PK area. You can see the worst of it out there. And this is the probability of tornadoes. Not very likely for our area. But there is still a chance. It's like a 2% chance. So that's 2% chance of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of any set point. Let's go to hail. It's a probability for hail. So we got 5% chance of hail for our area. As you can see, it goes up as the north to the northwest there. This is all for Thursday. Let's go ahead and see how much damaging wind we can get. Another 5%. And this is a significant tornado risk. As you notice, there is nothing. So it's saying that we're not going to really get anything Thursday for tornadoes. Significant hail is off to the west. You can see it over here, Colorado City, just west of Abilene, where most of the significant hail is going to be. That's considered gorilla hail. So that's, we'll say, significant hail of an inch or bigger, about 2 inches or bigger. And then significant wind. As you can see, there is nothing for significant wind. This is Thursday's outlook. So let's go ahead and go to Friday's outlook. Right there, day 3. Okay, as you see, that moved off. Now we're in the probably about we're in the number 3 category for severe weather. And that's, for the probabilistic, the severe weather, yeah, we're probably going to get it on Friday. Now, I'm going to say this is going to be Friday night into Saturday morning, possibly. So we'll see that. We'll look at that when we go into the weather maps here shortly. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. And we're going to go ahead and go to the models. And we're going to start loading up some models. This is the GFS model that we're going to load up. And we're going to, let's see, we'll go 25th, 1 p.m., which is tomorrow, 1 p.m., and we're going to take it all the way out to the 29th at 10 p.m. And this will be the GFS, reflectivity, and load my loop here. So I'm looking at it at the same time you all are, so we're going to see how that comes out as soon as it gets loaded up right here. As you can see, it's already out to the east there. Here's the model and the map right there. That's the date and time of the model here. So, all right, it's loaded, and let's go ahead and hit the play button and see what we see. All right, you can see about 6:15 tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. It's going to start a little rain shower, and it goes away, and then overnight, see right here after midnight on the 26th, which is Friday. So Friday we're gonna it's going to start building, and then boom, and back out of here. It kind of goes around us if you notice. And on out. Saturday, it's all to the east. This is the GFS model. Now Saturday, let's see, that was the most intense part is right there at 116. You can see right there. And so, little shower there. And then it buzzes off again. Afternoon, it kind of picks up a little bit right there. Now it shows it kind of skipping over us. I'm not too positive on that. That's Sunday morning. Let that go on out. And that's about it. So everything I'm looking at is saying that it wants to go around us. Now let's see what we get here. Whoops. Missed my deal here. Okay, we're going to load. Let's see. That's the 25th, which is tomorrow, which is Thursday at 1 p.m. And we're going to go out to Friday. We're going to go out 7 p.m. Friday. And we're going to see what this model has to say. Yeah, this model is a little different. As soon as it gets loaded up here. Okay. It's loaded up. Now let's go ahead and hit start. See that blob right there working its way towards us. Now, for some reason, I'm willing to understand and believe this model a little bit more than I was the GFS. And it popped out. So, it's saying the worst. Yeah. Let's go ahead and just finish it out, and then we'll go back and dissect it. Okay, and start over. All right, now I'm going to stop it when it gets to the points coming in from the southwest. So that's at 10 o'clock on Thursday night. So this is Thursday night at 10 o'clock. You can see it coming in to our western part of the county. And let's see if I can work this manually. Okay, at 10:30, 11 o'clock, 11:30. So I'd say anywhere from 10:30 to midnight on Friday or Thursday. Sorry, apologize. Thursday. And then another round right there. And that is our southern part of the county at 6 o'clock in the morning on Friday. All right. Yep. Friday. So Thursday night into Friday morning, early morning. And I think that's all we're going to get. Looks like everything else is just going to move out. Okay. And one more model just to make sure. We're going to go to HRRR here. Load it up. See what comes up a bit. All right, let's go ahead and hit the play button on it. HRRR showing a little bit of showers. And some showers there. And boom, there. Oops. And yep, all the way out to there. Okay, so let's do this again. So as you can see, there's some showers and happening. Let's back that up here. Right about 10 o'clock again. So 10, and then you can see some of this stuff blow up out to the west. And then at 4 4:30, 5 o'clock early morning on the 26th. And then that's it. So, yeah, we're looking at that. Now, let's go in there. Let's go to the NAM. One more model. I'm sorry. I like to get all the information I can before I pass judgment on anything here. There. Okay, load loop. Let's go ahead and back that up. Do. And that's loaded. Go ahead and hit the play button. See what the NAM has to say. A little bit of showers. Little heavy showers. Yeah. And there we go. So as you can see, it's just basically saying showers for our area. Maybe some thunderstorms. And that's going to be right there at 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, like the others were saying. And then it jumps over us and blows up out east. So let's do a little bit of some intensity here, see what we get. This is going to be the relative storm helicity, which tells me how much energy a storm's going to have. So up here, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but anyway, that pink, the white, and the gray, and all that right up there, that's explains how much energy is in a system when it comes through. So let's see what kind of energy we're looking at coming through our county. You see, you get a little red right there. But if you notice, that's all off to the east of us. You know, a little bit here on the eastern part of Palo Pinto County. Let's go ahead and play it. And it's still all out here. And right there, that was about the peak of it, it looks like. And we're back to 4 o'clock in the morning on Friday. Yeah, 4 o'clock in the morning on Friday is fairly, it's all right. It's getting there. Let's go ahead and play it out and see what it goes on. See it cleared out there. And clearing out there. So, as far as severity, it might be intense, but it's not going to be, overly crazy. Let's go to everybody going to be wondering about hail. Let's go to hail. This is the HRRR 48-hour hail loop that I'm doing. Maybe. Oh, no, I forgot to enter in the date. It helps when you enter in the date to load that loop. It's only going to go out till tomorrow night at 7, 8. No, that ain't right. HRRR just doesn't go out far enough for me. Let's go to, we'll go to the NAM 3K and let's look at dew points. Let's go to GFS because that's the only one that's going out far enough right now. But there we go. And the dew points aren't going to be there for us. Let's go to total precip. There we go. Out of this whole storm system coming through, This is how much we're going to get for rain. Maybe an inch or less. So you can see it's all over to the east of us. So there's that. I'm just not seeing it there for us right now until some new models come out. Dew points. Let's see if I can get some dew points in here. We will, if I can find it. There it is. And we're going to do that loop there. I'll scroll it back to, yeah, we'll go tomorrow at 10 a.m. to 29th at 4. Let's go ahead and pause that so it don't sit there and flash at us. All right, let's load it up and let's let it rip. Tater chip. See what these do. Right now, 67, we'll just say it's 67 degree dew point right there. Now where you see them come together really close and tight, like you see it coming in from the left, that right there. Okay, that's tomorrow night at midnight, like I was talking about on dew points, because you got them clear out here at 30s and over here in the 60s. So there's 30 degrees, gap between there. And believe it or not, if I pull this out, it doesn't look very tight, but that is considered pretty tight on the dew points. It's a very telling line right there from the dew points. And see how it just kind of compacts down and then starts to blow back out. So that's the Gulf moisture pushing up into here, because this is the amount of humidity and moisture. See how it kind of tightens up right there? So we're going to be right there where the frontal boundaries are going to start fighting back and forth on the dew points and everything. It's just how it is. That's why, I think it's going to go around us. Let's go some wind gusts. We'll start out. This is the 29th. I don't want the 29th. Let's go back to tonight. Tonight at 7 o'clock. There we go. This is tonight at 7 o'clock. These are the wind gusts we're going to have at 7 o'clock tonight. There's 18 mile an hour. 24, 25 mile an hour. And then tonight, or tomorrow morning at 4 o'clock, which is when I was saying that stuff's rolling in 30 plus mile an hour there. And if it gets too crazy, we'll probably see some power lines down, trees down. There we go, right there. That's at 10 p.m. Friday night. 37, we'll just say 37, 40 mile an hour wind gusts on Friday night. Oh, goodness. And there's a major wind gust right there. That's at 1 o'clock in the morning, almost 50 miles an hour. Okay, let me vector in some stuff here. Phil, let's go ahead and do, where am I looking at? There it is, reflectivity. And of course I got them backwards so you can't see. So, let's see. Let's go back to here. Go to reflectivity. And then we'll go to fill, wind gust. Wind gust. There it is. Okay, there we go. All right. This is 1 o'clock in the morning. You can see some storms out here. According to this, it may form a line right here and do some 50 mile an hour winds. That's at 1 o'clock in the morning. Let's bump it up one. There's 4 o'clock. You can see the winds are still up about 40 mile an hour. 40. And then it moves all off to the east. So, there's 40 back again. That's 1 o'clock on the 27th. 40 again. 30, 35. There's a storm there, so 40. We're going to have some high wind gusts for a while. Then this is when the second system's coming through. You can see them kind of compressed right there. There's another system right there, 40. So we're going to have some high winds with this coming through. So definitely batten the hatches and be ready for high winds. So that's my general synopsis for this whole thing is we're going to get some rain with occasional heavy downpours, and we are going to have some wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour, maybe higher. So that will prompt a severe thunderstorm warnings. When that happens, we might be in a watch come around that time. So just be prepared. Don't be scared. Be prepared. Be ready for whatever may be blowing our way. Hail, I'm not really seeing any hail come out of this, so I wouldn't worry too much about hail. I'd be worried about flying objects more than anything else. So secure your trampolines and let's be done with that. If y'all got any questions or anything, leave them in the comments. We'll see what we can do. I will try to have a live feed up and going when all this is happening. Probably not tonight. It will probably be tomorrow night when I get it up and going, when I get home from work or whatever. So until then, check your weather radios, make sure your weather radio's working, make sure your phone's charged, make sure that you're dressed so that way if something does happen, you're not caught naked without any clothes on. Have your tennis shoes, work boots, have some boots sitting next to your bed so if anything does happen, and you happen to step on some nails or debris, it's not going to go up in your foot and hurt you. So with that being said, keep an eye on your local stations and all that. Any questions? Let me know. I appreciate y'all. Thank you, JR Disposal, Matt King. I appreciate you for donating the equipment to help this happen. JR Disposal, you're the one that's donated for the radar program that helps all these folks out. For all your trash needs, refuse needs, get hold of Jack Richardson Disposal. They'll be more than happy to help you. With that being said, I appreciate you all, and thank you very much. This will be on the YouTube channel, so go over to my YouTube channel, hit like and subscribe. Leave me a donation, because those donations are helping me pay for a lot of these other radars that I need to get all the information straight to make sure I'm taking care of y'all. With that being said, thank you all. Y'all have a good one. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.